Hey everybody, welcome to the TT Buzzard channel. As you can see, winter has arrived early. So last winter, this whole area was a sheet of ice, and so that whole stone in the ditch theory worked. It definitely gave the water some place to get distracted, and it really slowed it down. And there's ice, but that's I think that's just going to happen because it's a hill, and I don't think they put enough salt on this road anyways. But yeah, this is typical Northeast Ohio. You have your safe months, and then you have months where you could literally experience all four seasons in one day. But yeah, the lake effect snow is where the cold air goes over the warm lake and it creates this snow, which we're seeing right here. And we're higher elevation here, so we really get dumped on. But it's super cool to live here, and not every part of the country gets to see this. People that are watching that live here, they think that's probably crazy talk coming from me, but I do appreciate it. But yeah, sometimes you just gotta suck it up and embrace where you live. If it really was that bad, I would have moved long ago, but it is cool to experience this lake effect snow. Where are you going, Cupcake? You gonna play in the snow? I'm going inside. So these are the tomatoes and peppers I picked from the video gardening at night. So I gotta hurry up and use them before I lose them. Anyways, I got a new dehydrator. We're gonna try that out. What I'm gonna do is pick through these. I'm gonna do the peppers separate, and I'll cut out any bad areas on some of these, and I'm gonna slice them to cut the dehydration time. So this is what I got. I got this from Ollie's, and it was only $30. That's kind of the gist of it. It looks like that's your lid. So it's just simple digital style. Your time, temperature. I guess you can go up to, looks like 160 is your highest, 100 your lowest. And I guess you hit start. 2 seconds for reset. That looks pretty simple to use. I'm gonna get those vegetables chopped up, and I'm gonna see what do they specify for the items I have. We'll get the correct temperature and we'll load it up, and we'll show you the end product. So I'm going to use this mesh screen for the tomatoes, and yeah, I'll start cutting them and put them on there. So that's how I'm going to slice these tomatoes. Just cut any bad areas off and just slice them, and then just lay them right on this tray like that. But I've said it many times before, these aromas are nice and versatile. I think they'll make a good dehydrated tomato. Filling up pretty quick here. Got these yellow tomatoes here. I'm just gonna simply just cut these in half. And I think all together this will be like a 13-hour process. But nonetheless, I'm excited. I haven't done this in years. And just time runs out. I don't have a lot of time like I wish I did. So getting things done around here can be challenging. There's a problem with these late tomatoes. Most people chuck them out, but they still have great flavor. You just gotta pick through them more. As the season dwindles down, the plant weakens, and this is what you wind up with. So that is our tray of tomatoes. But yeah, you can dehydrate fruits, vegetables, herbs. These peppers are really good. They haven't softened. Tomatoes, a lot of them were green. I had to leave them out a little bit at room temperature here in the house, and some of them just over-ripened while others underachieved. But we have enough to at least get started here. Got some red jalapenos as well here. I'm going to try to get rid of all the seeds, but lay them on the tray. We'll have dehydrated peppers if needed. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but we'll have them. So yeah, you just kind of get in there and scrape all that out. Even that little bit there. You just take the knife and scrape away from you so you don't get cut. Yeah, get the white, scrape all the white parts out, the seeds. That's where most of that heat comes from in these peppers. All right, here's my peppers and here's my tomatoes. All right. So these will be done in the morning. I'm gonna put this lid on. Temperature. That'd be our hours, and then temperature 125 it says. 13 hours, we'll see what happens. Pretty cool. Yeah. So this is apparently 4 hours in now. I'll have to get up in the middle of the night and check this out. But they should more than likely be done by 6 a.m. Yeah, I'm going to leave this right where it's at. I got about 2 hours to go. They're almost there. Alright, after 13 hours, this is what we have. Let's see See what our peppers look like. The peppers probably got done way before the tomatoes. So this Weston Gamekeeper Dehydrator worked pretty good. Still unplug that, but yeah, I'll let these kind of cool down, and then I'll go ahead and put these in Ziplocs and store them away. Maybe use them on a snowy day when I get snowed in. But that's the end product there. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you on the next video. So when I got up to check these tomatoes out, I got a notification on the Aurora app that the KP index was 8.33. So these are some quick shots of the northern lights trying to peek through the clouds.